What?
Mama, can you paint my hands?
Sure, hold on.
You know why?
Why?
I'm trying to cut.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, I can do it.
I'll do it for you. It's gonna be a second. Okay. One more time. I don't know why you hate this thing so much. What? What are you doing? Are you clapping? Yay! Clap, clap, clap. What? Clap, clap, clap. Nope. Where are you going? Whoa. Whoa. Hi. Whoa. 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 Yay. What is your infatuation with this thing?
Can you paint my hands?
Yes, I'll be right there. Say bye-bye. Huh? Okay. You could do this all day, huh? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mom, my hands, different colors?
Yes.